Hello there. In this video, we are going to take a look at running a queuing simulation where we have set the seed number. So let's create an example here, how to set seed number. Now to use the queue package, we need to import queue. Next thing we can do is set the seed number as an integer, like we could set it to 2025, the current year. But that's not quite enough. We need to define a simulation network example. So for this example, let's go q.dist or let's create network object. And we're going to put some arrival distributions in there. So the first one let's put in is, let's make this, just for the sake of simplicity, an mm1q, q.dists, exponential, rate of 1, and then I'll say the same thing for the service distributions, and then we will also say for the number of servers that it's equal to 1. Good. So then if we want to run a simulation, we can control the pseudo-random number generators that are internal to queue using this seed number. In general, if you start getting into using custom components of your own, you may or may not want to also have your own pseudo-random number generators that you're controlling for the inputs. But for the practical intents and purposes of this tutorial, we're sticking to just the vanilla queue package. So we can go, at this juncture, we could go create a simulation object and go q.simulation and pass in our network object into there. And then to run the simulation, we can go simulation and simulate, my bad. Simulate until maximum time, and we can set some amount of time that we want to simulate for. Let's just say 1,000. So I can run this and nothing to show yet. So maybe let's say something like, let's actually decrease the amount of simulation time and just take a quick peek inside of the simulation. Let's get all the records. And just so there's something for us to look at, let's print the records. Empty. Let's set this up a little bit higher. There we go. Or maybe set it to something in between. There we go. So we get a handful of those. And if we take a look at some of these numbers, we'll see, for example, that the first one, the arrival date was 0.815. So if I run this again, you'll see again that it is 0.815. So setting the seed number allows us to have a reproducible analysis, an analysis where we can run the same code and logic again and again and again to produce the same answer. And this will not only be true for a simple network like this, it will be true of more complicated situations. So with that, thank you for watching, and hopefully you got some value out of looking at setting the seed numbers, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.